Discover the new 100% electric Corsa. Let's say a future-ready German city car with impressive range, fast charging, and almost silent at maximum power. A first in its class, IntelliLux-led matrix headlights ensure high beam visibility without distracting other drivers. Enjoy excellent light in all situations. The new Corsa Electric gives you an impressive range of 359 kilometers WLTP without recharging. With a few tricks like speed, personal driving style, and heating, you will easily increase the range of your Corsa Electric. Charge the battery of your Corsa Electric up to 80% in just 30 minutes. Enjoy Opel's versatile charging strategy that gives you flexibility on both daily and longer journeys. If you like my videos, consider subscribe, comment, share, and thumbs up.